What if I told you that replacing a single damaged garage door section could cost you half the price of an entirely new garage door? It sounds insane, but that's what we did for one of our customers. And the promise of this video is to make sure that you don't do the same thing unless you absolutely have to. Let's party. So why do garage doors become bent, damaged, or broken? Well, basically because accidents happen. In fact, when it's car versus door, car always wins. But it's how you handle the damage that's important to consider, because depending on the damage, you might be at a crossroad to replace versus repair. So what is the true cost of a single panel replacement versus a full garage door upgrade? Honestly, it's closer than you think. So does that mean I don't think you should replace a single garage door section? Well, that'll depend on two factors, and you need to stay to the end of this video because one of those factors will apply to you. Consider this first case. This customer accidentally backed into their garage door and bent the garage door section. It's a common problem. They thought, okay, easy fix. Just replace that bottom section and we're good to go. But this is where it got complicated. This garage door is a specialty product. We couldn't just grab a replacement garage door section off the shelf. We had to go back to the original manufacturer to get an exact match and style for this customer. Why? Because the HOA was pressuring the customer and they had to make sure that that bottom section matched the door perfectly. And this brings us to our first hidden cost, time. This customer had to wait nearly a month to get this one single garage door section. And that's because their garage door was a special model. Now think about that. A month with a damaged garage door and a month of stress, all because they had to make sure that this garage door section was going to match their garage door and keep their HOA happy. Then came the big number. The total cost of this one bottom garage door section, including parts, shipping, and installation, was just under $1,000. Now let's look at the math. A brand new installed high quality garage door like the one this customer has starts at around $1,900, maybe $2,200. Do you see the problem? This customer just paid half the price of a full garage door replacement for one single section. She was $1,000 away from an entirely new garage door system, not counting all the time and stress this customer had to endure. Honestly, that is not a great return of investment. In fact, by coincidence, I talked to another gentleman today who needed 2 garage door sections replaced. His estimated cost was $1,800 and up. That's basically the cost of a new door. So what is the real cost of these garage door section swap outs? Here's what you lose when you only replace one garage door section. You keep the old tracks, the worn out hardware, the old springs, the faded color on the existing garage door sections, and you still have an old warranty. That's right, when you replace a garage door section, you have 2 different warranties now, if that didn't complicate things. But for an extra $1,200 or more, you can get everything new, a full warranty on the door, new hardware, new springs, perhaps better insulation, and an instant boost to your curb appeal and home value. It's not even a question. So what should you do? Well, here's what I would do as a professional. Replace the section only if the door is less than 2 years old, the section is a standard color and size, and the repair cost is less than 40% of a new door, maybe 45% maximum. But I must stress that it should be easy to get the door section. Most garage door manufacturers have sections ready to install, and sometimes you can mix and match garage door section brands, but I don't always recommend that. If these are your circumstances and you can get that garage door section for a fraction of the price of a new door, it's a sound option. Now, those are just some of the factors that apply to someone who wants a single garage door section replacement. So what factors determine that you need a new door system? Well, replace the whole door if you have damage to 2 or more garage door sections, and if the door is over 5 years old, or if the quote for the section repair is 50% or more of a new door system. Just take the leap. The return of investment is always going to be better for a brand new garage door system. Another factor will depend if the door is a specialty model or if it's a discontinued model. If you need to wait weeks to months for a new section, that could be a deal breaker. A new garage door system can be installed the same day in most cases. You might pay a little more for an emergency service, but the peace of mind you get is priceless. So if your garage door is damaged and you need to figure out what options are best for you, then reach out to a contractor because I'm sure they would love to help you save money. In fact, when it comes to quoting our customers, we are ready to offer them several options. And we can easily identify those options within our CRM, Jobber. Jobber has made it seamless to manage all our scheduling, quoting, and invoicing. It keeps everything professional, organized, and transparent for our customers. The best part, we can save a quote as a template within Jobber so we don't have to waste time getting our customers the right information they need to make a good buying decision. Jobber has changed our business for the better, and we know it can do the same for you. For a free 14-day trial, click the link in the description below. So, why do some garage door sections cost almost as much as a new garage door system? We'll take into account that most garage doors are sold as kits, as a package. If a garage door supplier or manufacturer has to break up one of these kits to get you a new door section, then that's a hit on their bottom line. Additionally, if the garage door section needs to be made, that's time needed to have someone to make that section just for this one single customer. These garage door manufacturers don't make money on just that one section. They make their money on selling in bulk, so it's not an easy proposition. Thinking that you'll save money on a new garage door section is a mistake. But a new garage door replacement may not also be the best cost decision. What really matters is how you can get the best bang for your buck based on your garage door needs. And I know that's hard to say when you have a busted garage door and the HOA is breathing down your neck. I get it. I wish there was a simpler way. And at least this video is here to be able to open up that conversation. In fact, we have a video of one of the best ways to prevent garage door accidents from happening. But how is that possible? Well, check out this video right here to get that answer. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.